To win a Michigan driver's license restoration case, you basically have to prove sobriety. Under Michigan law, if you've been convicted of 2 or more DUIs within 7 years or 3 or more within 10 years, you're considered a habitual alcohol offender, and the law presumes that you have a drinking problem. That's the starting point for a license appeal. To win it, you have to prove 2 things. Number 1, that your legally presumed alcohol problem is under control, and number 2, that your legally presumed alcohol problem is likely to remain under control. What does that mean? Well, in plain English, proving that your problem is under control means demonstrating that you have been completely alcohol and drug free for a legally sufficient period of time. We generally won't move forward with a case unless a person has been clean and sober for at least 18 months. The more time, the better. So if someone's been clean and sober for 2 years, all the better. Most people, by the time they get to us, have at least 2, if not 3 years under their belt. That's a good starting point. Secondly, we have to prove that your alcohol problem is likely to remain under control, which essentially translates to demonstrating that you have the ability, meaning the tools, and the commitment to remain alcohol-free for life. The Secretary of State knows only one thing for certain in all of this, and that's that people who do not drink are exactly zero risk to drive drunk again. So it's doing its part to ferret out and find only those people who they can really trust to never pick up again. To put it another way, if the Secretary of State so much suspects that you even think you can ever pick up a drink again, then your appeal will be denied. You have to prove your case by what the law defines as clear and convincing evidence. And this means that we basically have to hit a home run. When all is said and done, the hearing officer deciding the case cannot be left with any unanswered questions or lingering doubts. We have to go in there and essentially crush it. Now, we do that by 3 things. 1, we have to file a substance use evaluation. Our clients see our evaluator. She will produce a clinically sound evaluation, meaning one that's reliable and good, not just some joked up thing with a whole bunch of favorable adjectives thrown in to make somebody sound good. It will be clinically sound. Number 2, letters of support. It's easier to talk about what these aren't. They're not good guy letters. They don't care what a nice person you are. The letters have to be testimonial witness to the fact that you live a sober lifestyle. And then 3, your testimony. Your case will be assigned to one of 9 hearing officers. Every hearing officer has his or her own particular areas of interest or particular questions that they find important. You need to be properly prepared for this. That's what we do all day, every day. In fact, we do it so well that we guarantee that if we accept your case, we will win it.